Have you ever wanted to make a little money online, but then that voice of self-doubt kicks in, telling you that you just don't have the right skills? Well, this explainer is designed to be a practical guide to earning your very first dollar with AI. And the goal is to help you take that first crucial step, maybe even in the next 24 hours. And that quote really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? We're not just talking about technology here. We're talking about finally overcoming that inner voice that says, I'm not smart enough, or what if I fail and look stupid? This is all about finding a way to lower that shield, just enough to get started. I just love this metaphor. For years, making money online felt like you had to be a deep-sea diver, right? You needed all this expensive gear and years of training. But AI has totally changed the currents. It's literally bringing opportunities right to your feet. You just have to be willing to dip your toes in.
So really, what makes this moment in time so different? It's that AI has fundamentally changed the game. It's not about working harder anymore. It's about this huge technological shift that's making it faster and more accessible for anyone to start earning than ever before.
This is the big one, isn't it? That shield of self-doubt. You might have a full-time job, you've got family, or you just feel like you're not a tech person. And look, those are completely valid concerns, but they are the exact problems that AI is actually designed to solve.
The absolute best way to think about AI is not as some complex system you have to master. Think of it as your new coworker. It's the tool that fills in your skill gaps, it handles all the tedious stuff, and it lets you focus on what matters, the ideas.
And this just says it all. You don't need to know how to code an AI or build a neural network any more than you need to build an engine to drive a car. You just need to know how to give it instructions, how to drive. The barrier to entry is lower than it has ever been in history. This comparison just shows you the massive shift we're in. The old way meant years of specialized training, a really slow climb. But the AI way, it's a total equalizer. It cares way more about how clear your instructions are than what's on your resume. It basically allows anyone to become a one-person production factory.
So what is this new core skill? It's called prompting. And please, don't let that word sound complicated. It's not. If you can write an email to an assistant that says, hey, can you write 5 short posts about the benefits of drinking more water? Then guess what? You already know how to prompt an AI. It's that straightforward.
Okay, so we get the how. Let's get to the what. What are you actually going to do? Well, there are 5 concrete paths you can take, starting today, to begin earning with your brand new AI coworker.
Here they are, 5 different ways to get started. And notice the variety here. You don't have to be a writer or a designer. You could sell a simple digital guide to container gardening. You could offer to rewrite someone's LinkedIn profile summary. You could create social media posts for a local pizza place. There is a path here for everyone.
Let's just zoom in on that first path for a second, selling digital products. This one is so powerful because you do the creative work one time and that product can sell thousands of times over, creating a real stream of passive income.
And the process is so much simpler than you'd think, because the AI does the heavy lifting. Your role changes. You're not the typist anymore. You're the idea generator. You're the editor. You find a problem, you use AI to create a draft of the solution, then you come in and add your unique human touch, package it up nicely, and put it up for sale. All right, theory is great, but real confidence comes from action. So let's frame this as a simple, low-stakes challenge for the next 24 hours. The goal is not to get rich. It's to prove to yourself that you can create something valuable. This is your confidence-boosting checklist. Every step is small, it's achievable, and it's 100% in your control. By the end of 12 hours, you won't just have an idea anymore, you'll have a real proof of concept and a clear path to selling it. So what's the goal of this little challenge? Just this. $5. That's it. The goal is not to become a millionaire overnight. It's to prove that earning money this way is real and that it's accessible to you. That first $5 is the most important you'll ever make because it completely demolishes self-doubt. So once you've earned that first dollar and you know it's possible, the focus shifts. The question becomes, how do you turn that first little win into a consistent daily income stream? The secret is all about small, consistent actions that build up over time. This chart shows your massive competitive advantage. If a traditional freelancer takes 8 hours to finish a project, you and your AI coworker can deliver the same quality in just 2. That means you can handle 4 times the work, or even better, earn the same amount of money in a fraction of the time. And how do you do this without burning out? Easy. It's called the 30-minute AI session rule. Just commit to 30 focused minutes a day. In that time, you can research a gig, generate the content with AI, and polish it up for delivery. It's totally sustainable, and it's incredibly effective.
And let's end on this powerful idea. You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need a long resume. In this new era, your willingness to just be curious and take one small, real step today is the only qualification you actually need to start earning tomorrow.
The technology has leveled the playing field. It's removed the old barriers of time, of skill, of cost that have been there for decades. The door is officially wide open. The only question left is, are you going to walk through it?